Do you ever feel lazy and like you have no energy to do anything? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I want to share how I stay motivated even when I feel lazy. Motivation is like a spark small, but it can light up your whole day. Everyone feels lazy sometimes, and that is completely normal. The key is not to fight it too hard, but to use smart strategies to move forward. When I feel lazy, I start with something very small. I don't try to do everything at once. I clean my desk for a few minutes, or write just one sentence in my notebook. Small steps give me energy and make me feel proud. I also talk to myself in a kind way. I say, "You can do it," or "Just start, it's okay." Positive words give me power and make me feel strong even on lazy days. Sometimes, I listen to music. Upbeat songs make me move, feel happy, and full of energy. Music can change my mood in just a few minutes. I also take short breaks when needed. I drink water, stretch my arms, or walk for a few minutes. Then I feel fresh again. Small breaks help me stay motivated without feeling tired. I imagine the result I want. I see myself finishing the task and feel proud and happy. Visualization gives me energy and reminds me why I start, even when I feel lazy. I also reward myself after small wins, like taking a short treat or watching one video I like. Rewards make motivation stronger and encourage me to keep going. Motivation is not always perfect. Some days are hard, and laziness can come back. But I try to do something every day. Even small steps matter. Consistency is the real secret. Remember, every action counts, no matter how little. You have the power to create your best day. Start now, stay consistent, and watch yourself grow. Your energy, your focus, and your motivation will grow stronger every day. Believe in yourself, you can do it.